In this video, I'll detail how to use a QR code to share your Wi-Fi password on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 comes a new feature that you can easily use to share your Wi-Fi password as a QR code. So in essence, if you don't want to reveal your password to so many people and you still want to share your Wi-Fi password or hotspot Wi-Fi password with them, you can easily use QR code as a means of disseminating your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to use a QR code to share your Wi-Fi password. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is make sure you have the password application on your iOS 18. So open the password application. But if the password application is missing on your iPhone, just go to the App Store. Then once you open the App Store on your iPhone, click on the search button and here search for passwords. So you're going to see the passwords under utility on the app manager. Then just scroll down. Then you should see the passwords here. Make sure you download and install the new password application on your iPhone, and once downloaded, open it. This is going to normally use your Face ID or Touch ID to lock the password application. Then locate the WAV file. Then here you should see the WAV file. Click on the WAV file and tap Share Network QR code. Then this is going to come up in form of a QR code, and for any other devices to connect to this QR code, this person will need to scan the QR code on his or her phone. Then to share the QR code, all you just need to do is tap through QR code, then take the screenshot of the QR code like this. Then you can just adjust it like this. Then tap done, save to photo, then that is it. So you can now share this QR code with anyone on your phone to connect to your iPhone Wi-Fi. So this is how you can easily, without stress, use a QR code to share your Wi-Fi password on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.